Going places. Wow!
Yeah. Wow, what a colorful picture.
Yeah, especially the background.
Mm-hmm.
Raphael had been waiting all year long for the Going Places contest, a chance to build a go-kart, race it, and win. When their teacher announced who would like the first kid, Raphael's hand shot up. Whoa!
Yeah.
The rest of the class watched enviously as Raphael walked back to his seat with a kid. Mrs. Chanda assured them, "Don't worry, you'll all be getting one."
Perfect. Yeah.
Oh, there's the kid.
Everyone is going to get one.
Whoa!
Yeah.
And they're all exactly alike. Wow. The kid came with a set of precise instructions. Wow.
Yeah.
That made Raphael happy. He was very good at following directions. Whoa,
Yeah.
so many parts.
He is busy assembling the kit.
Yep. Looks like the steering wheel. Raphael hammered, glued, nailed, and assembled his kit. His go-kart looked just like the one on the directions. He was feeling quite proud. Raphael wondered how his classmate Maya was doing. She lived right next door. Whoa,
Amazing.
that was cool. He peered over the fence. "Hey, Maya, you haven't even started?" Maya didn't respond. She was so intent on watching the bird in front of her and quickly sketching it that she didn't even notice Raphael.
Oh, great. She
Nice
wants to
bird.
try something innovative, I guess.
Yeah. Then she just put down her pencil and stared at the bird dreamily. Raphael shrugged and let her be. Oh. The next morning, Raphael checked back in to see how Maya was doing. "Wow, what is that?" he asked. Maya grinned. "You like it?" Raphael responded slowly. "Yeah, extremely cool. But, Maya, there's just one little problem. That's not a go-kart." Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she made a really cool thing.
Like, with wings? You have to pull this or something?
Yeah. She's trying to fly.
Like the bird she saw.
Perfect.
I think that's her dream.
Wow.
Maya smiled. Who said it had to be a go-kart? Raphael was confused. The set of instructions inside the box were for a go-kart. But then again, they didn't say it had to be a go-kart. He looked again at Maya's contraption. After a moment, he grinned. "I get it. Hey, Maya, I really want to win this race. The instructions never said we couldn't team up either."
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. They can team up. And so they did, working late into the evening. Whoa.
Wow.
I wonder what they're making.
Great. You should be smart and hardworking.
Yep. And creative.
Perfect.
The next day, everyone gathered for the big race. Each go-kart was a perfect replica of the other. Wow.
Look
They're
at
all
that.
the same.
Amazing.
Cool. With all the kids with their helmets. Except one.
Yay.
That's what they were building! An aeroplane. One of the kids laughed. "Looks like you had trouble with the Going Places instructions. You're going places, all right. You're going to lose.
Yeah.
Do you think that's true?
People keep laughing at something new. Yeah.
But you never know. Maya and Raphael didn't even have time to respond because the announcer's big, boomy voice called out, "Attention racers! Start your engines. 4, 3, 2, 1. A buzzer sounded and they're off. Whoa,
Whoa.
they're fast. While all the other go-karts disappeared in a cloud of dust, Maya just sat there in their motionless vehicle. Raphael shouted over the roar of engines and cheering crowds, "Maya, what are we waiting for?" "No worries, Raphael," Maya answered. "Flaps down, throttle up." Whoa,
Yeah.
so many buttons. And now they took off into the air. Whoa!
Great.
The other contestants look up in amazement. Maya and Raphael hovered and then sped past them all.
Yay.
Whoa! The kid who was laughing.
Perfect. Yes.
He's
That's
surprised.
a great answer. They went ahead of everyone.
Yep. Even the fastest kid. Before long, Maya and Raphael coasted across the finish line to the cheers of the waiting crowd.
Yay, look at them.
Wow! They kept rolling clear across the race grounds. Maya slammed the brakes, stopping just short of the lake at the edge of the school field.
Oh, wow.
Whoa! Good thing they didn't fall in the water. It's at the edge. Raphael noticed a startled frog leap from a lily pad and dive into the water. He raised his eyebrow and looked at Maya. She smiled. "Raphael, are you thinking what I'm thinking?" Raphael just nodded. Oh. Let's
Yeah.
see what they...
Mhm.
Oh! A
Exactly.
mechanical frog.
Yeah.
The eyes are them. That's
They
cool.
leaped ahead just like a frog.
Yeah.
Wow, they won the race.
Yep. And they got the prize of being a frog. Just consider that.
Yeah, that's funny. It's just their imagination.
I know. This was a fun book about going places.
Yeah.
And remember, never stop exploring.
Perfect.
Be creative and smart.
Very good.
Well, I hope you liked this book, everyone. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Go big places, be creative.